Hi you guys, welcome to my channel. Welcome back if you're already a subscriber. If you're not, please hit the subscribe button below and join me for Dollar Tree hauls, organization videos, home tours, and just all things home. But it's all Christmas stuff, so let's get into it. So I have a ton of Christmas stuff in this haul. Not a ton, but I have a lot of Christmas stuff in this haul. And I have been grabbing everything that I can find, you guys. At least stuff that I don't already have from last year. So let me go ahead and start with these cute little ceramic gnomes. I did not get the red one. I just picked up the blue one and the green one. And they are really cute. And these are a repeat from last year, by the way. I'm sure you guys saw them. I think they're exactly the same. I don't know. I won't even know because I didn't get them last year. So that's a score for me. So anyhow, there's those. And he's so cute. And I'm trying to look a little Christmassy with my Merry shirt from Target and my white baseball cap. But I didn't want to push it too much because it's September. And I went ahead and picked up one of these green Christmas trees. I do have the white one, but I think what I'm going to do this year is possibly put the white and the green together. I don't know. I was thinking that would be cute. So I will do that. And then I found this buffalo, I have glitter all over me, buffalo check mesh. So I grabbed some of that actually for my sister because this is what she's doing this year for Christmas. She's doing a black and white theme, and she's also using the buffalo check or plaid, whatever you want to call it. And yeah, so there's that. And then I found this little, one of these mason jar, craft mason jars. This one with the, does not want to come off now. Sorry guys. Okay, I finally got it off. So this one has the snowflakes on it. And so I picked up one of those. I didn't go crazy. I also found this burlap with the snowflakes on it. And usually everything in my decor is like pink, and in the past I used to use like the snowflakes and all of the snow stuff, but I don't know, I picked it up. I also found this really pretty Christmas dish towel. I thought that was so pretty. It does have glitter on it. So that's why I have glitter on me. I'm not quite sure why they put glitter on a Christmas towel, but I know aside from it looking sparkly, it's just messy. I found a bunch of these wooden, I guess they're ornaments, LED ornaments, DIY type thing. And let me turn this one on. Oh, I guess the little tag thing is not pulled out. So let me see. All right, let me show you guys. Whoops. So you can paint them. And this is the truck with the Christmas trees in the back. And I thought that was so cute. So I will definitely be making something with that. Probably, maybe an ornament, maybe just something to go on a tiered tray. I went ahead and grabbed the Gingerbread House as well, and it is also an LED. And I don't remember seeing these last year, but that's really cute. I picked up the Snowflake one. Again, it's an LED ornament with a light in it. And those are going to be, again, really, really cool to use in your tiered trays. Did I have any more of those? Yes, I do. Another gingerbread house, because I really like the gingerbread house. So I got that one again. And then I also picked up some of these little bottle brush miniature gold trees. I I don't know if I got other ones. This snowman DIY clear ornament, and I thought this would be really cute to put like hot cocoa or something in as a gift. And I don't know, I guess you could keep this as the seal. It could be an ornament they could use afterwards. And you could do anything. You could put fill this with glitter, you could fill it with sand, you could paint it, you could do that paint pour thing with it. There's a lot of things you could do. You could spray paint it with that sea glass, I think it's Rust-Oleum. I got this long hanging snowflake DIY wood thing, and I'll probably end up cutting them off and using them in another, like a sign or something, wall decor. And whoops, I didn't mean to move the camera. Here's some more wood items. I found these sleds. These two are the same, so this is really cute, and you could do a lot of different things with that. I'm sure we all are thinking about our Christmas DIYs at this point, because it comes up so fast. And then I got a couple more different sleds. I got this one. It has like the crate style seat on it. Let's see, that's this one. And there's that one. And then there's also this one. And I don't really know what that design is, but here's the three of them. Whoops. So I got those. And then I also picked up this little, how come I can't think of what you call this again? Well, anyways, you guys know what it is. But I've been looking for that, so I found it. I thought this would be cute for Christmas with something in it. And then this gingerbread house. And here's the thing. I looked through all of these. Some of them had the windows here, the wood pieces. And most of them all were missing one. And if they had those, they were missing the door. And if they had the door and the windows, they were missing this window. So I did the best I could, and I grabbed the two that had windows. See? And this one with a door. So yeah, I guess probably in the shipping process, they fell off and they just put them on the shelf that way anyhow. I bought this little gingerbread guy, and I don't know if he had anything on him up there. It seems like a lot of these wood pieces were damaged. But I did find this one with the buttons and the bow tie and the little sock trim. And then one of the trucks with the Christmas tree in the back. So cute. Love this one. And let's see what else. I have more wood pieces. I have these Mary wood letters pieces. And let me see, I think there are like 5 in here. I have them backwards as usual. So there's those. I bought the ones that said, oh no, sorry, I thought there was another set that said something else, but apparently not. Unless it's buried in here somewhere. Not sure. Yeah, I don't know. So anyhow, yeah. Okay, so there's these ones. So pick those up if you see them. And then the Christmas trees. And then the trucks, and I think you get 5 in each of these. The small miniature, that was redundant. The miniature, I guess you could use these for ornaments or put them on a sign. Again, you could do that. I grabbed one of these little LED light up trees, and I'm pretty sure I already have this. many times over, but I picked it up anyway. Some more bottle brush trees in the white. Yeah. So you get, how many of those? 6. That's a pretty good deal. Those would be cute if you're doing like the little miniature town. I found this really pretty blue buffalo check bow. I mean, I just thought Christmas immediately when I looked at it, but I love this. This would be really pretty on a big package. So I am going to start picking up some Christmas gift wrap and bows and supplies for gifting. These are the signs I found. The gnome for the holidays. It looks like an ornament. It's got this little metal detail on it on the top. Feels like plastic, but cute. Not my colors, but still picked it up. And then I picked up the white and the red one. Merry Christmas from our gnome to yours, with a little gnome holding the lantern. Again, this one has that detailing on the top of it to look like an ornament. And then I got, okay, I think I pulled these off of the stakes because I didn't want them as, not stakes, but yard stakes or whatever. It's got this blue kind of wintry guy. And I want to hold these all up at the end so you can see them all together. And then this one who says, he doesn't say it, but it says Merry Christmas with a package on there. And the buffalo check. Probably will pass that one to my sister. And then this one, it says welcome with the red cap buffalo check. And they're cute. So I got these, and there's those 3 in the 3 different styles. And like I said, I believe these did have the little piece of wood stuck. Maybe these 2 didn't, but this one did. I don't know. I just pulled it off. These don't weather well outside, so anyhow, there's those, and then these. So those are all the gnome things. These last 2 items are not from Dollar Tree, but I still wanted to share them with you. Oh, these aren't the last 2 items. Sorry. Let me finish up with the floral. Dollar Tree floral. I got these pink poinsettias, and I mean they're okay. I mean, they seem a little sparse, but if you put a lot of them together, I think they'll be fine. And so I grabbed those, and I grabbed some in the gold. And then I found these really pretty leaves, and I wanted to use some of these in my fall decor as well, but they are Christmas floral, because they have the Christmas floral tags on them. But so pretty. This really pretty, like, it's like a mauve pink, because I feel like there's a little purple hint of purple in it. But I went ahead and grabbed several of those. I think there's probably more in here because I wanted a lot of this. Yeah, I did. So I've got about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bunches of those. And those are going to go really nice in some floral arrangements. And I also grabbed this in the silver because I thought it was pretty. I usually go for the gold, but I don't know. That silver just seems really frosty and cool. And then I picked up this flocked tree, one of those, as well as one of these bottle brush ombre with the pink. And they had those in green and I think blue as well, but I just grabbed that one. So there's those. And I'm almost done. These pine cone like garland. So there's like, I don't know how much you get in here. I don't even think it says how much you get in here. I don't see, but it's not a lot. So I got that. And then this last one is so glittery, I don't even want to take it out. but it's these little, what do you call them? Berries in the gold. I'm gonna very carefully put those back into the bag. And then here are the last two, and these are super glittery too, but I got these at the at-home store, and they're opening one close to me soon, so it was quite a trip out to where I had to go to see this beautiful store, and I'm super excited that they're gonna be opening one near me. But look at this. This is one of those clip-on picks, and it's a poinsettia, and it's in this beautiful pink. Gorgeous. Also has this little, if you wanted to hang it. And then this one though, okay, I thought that one was spectacular, but when I saw this, I just immediately was like, I don't even care how much this is. And by the way, it wasn't expensive. I think they were only like $2.90. Let me see. Oh, $5.79. So, but I did get 10% off of my purchase for signing up for their email thing. So that's the at-home store, and you guys, look at this. Isn't that absolutely breathtaking? It is beautiful. It's so bright and vibrant, and it's just, it's perfect. These are perfect for my decor, these two. Because I do like to follow my colors that I already have when I do my seasonal decor. And that is the end of that haul. You guys, I hope that you will comment below and let me know what Christmas items you found that I don't have here, because I know there's others. I've been seeing other people's Christmas hauls, and I'm like, I haven't seen that. There's a bunch of things I haven't seen. So comment below, let me know, and hit the like button if you can. It really helps my channel, and I hope that you guys have an amazing day. Stay very positive, stay very hopeful, and above all, stay very kind. Bye, you guys.